In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an email from Gmail with attachments. This is a quick, reliable way to save an entire conversation and keep any files that came with it bundled together, perfect for records, offline access, or sharing with someone who needs the full context. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Once you're in your inbox, look for the message that includes the attachment you want. A helpful hint: emails with attachments usually show a small paperclip icon in the message list. Click the email to open it fully so you can see the contents and the attachment area. With the email open, move your attention to the right side of the message toolbar near the reply button. You'll see a vertical three-dot icon. This is the More menu for the message itself, not the menu in your browser. Click that three-dot icon, and from the menu that appears, select Download Message. This option tells Gmail to save the entire email, including any attachments, as a single file. Now give it a moment to download. The time it takes can vary depending on the size of the attachments and your internet connection. Gmail will save the email as a YAML file, which is a standard email format recognized by most mail apps. By default, it goes to your browser's downloads location, so it's easy to find later. When you open the downloaded message file, you'll see the full email content along with the attachment, just like you saw in Gmail. The attachment is preserved as part of the message, so you can view or open it in your email program without needing to go back online. If your computer asks which app to use, choose your default mail application, and it will display the email with the files intact. A few quick tips as you do this. If you don't see download message, double-check that you're inside the email, not just hovering over it in the inbox list. Remember that downloading the message does not remove it from Gmail. It simply creates a copy on your device. Because attachments are included, large files may take longer to finish, so wait until the download indicator completes before you try to open it. That's all there is to it. You opened Gmail, found the message with the attachment, used the three-dot menu to download the message, waited for the download to complete, and now, when you open that file, the attachment comes along with it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your important emails and files organized.